Greetings everyone, it's Michael Anastasiadis here, mortgage advisor from Bosanoff Mortgages, Mortgages Made Easy, coming to you live with your weekly mortgage and interest rate update. And again, no changes guys from what I've been sharing with you over the last few weeks and months. I was having a look before. I know this is dated the 16th of May, but these rates have been pretty standard now since the beginning of the year. Okay, there's been a little bit of change, maybe a little bit up or down, but look, we're 6 months into the year now, and there's pretty much no change with those rates. So these are the best rates I can get from the main banks. Give or take a little bit of a margin there, but most banks are now offering around that 6.89, 6.99, 705 for 6 months. Pretty much everyone's offering the same now for 1 year, 6.85. I think one bank is now offering 6.99, and then that 18-month rate there, somewhere around 6.65 to 6.69. So it's been like this for a while, guys, and I just thought I'd just jump online and share it all with you, because that's where we're at with the rates. And I know I've been sharing these with you since the beginning of the year, but hasn't been much change, and I don't expect there to be much change either. I was listening to the Jerome Powell, I believe his name is, the equivalent of the Reserve Bank governor in the US, the Fed there. They announced today again no cut to their cash rate, and they may be, I think they said was their word, there might be one cut sometime this year, later this year. So if you're hanging out for a interest rate cut, doesn't look like it's going to be happening anytime soon, and the earliest we could see one here in New Zealand might be November. So the Reserve Banks don't have the best track record anywhere of giving us a good indication what's happening with rates. But there you are. If you wanted to have a little update, and that's what these videos are for, there you are. So earliest you could see a cut might be in November. But those rates that I was sharing with you before, they're here to stay for some time yet, I would imagine. What I'm seeing in the housing market, look, look, from a mortgage perspective, those that meet the criteria, that have got good incomes, good deposits, we can easily get them pre-approved, and then they're spoilt for choice in Wellington at the moment, although the listings are starting to dry up, and that's usual this time of year, especially as we head into winter, school holidays next month. A lot of people usually take that opportunity to go overseas, especially real estate agents. I myself will be going away in July, so the market does tend to slow down over the next few months, and that's a good time to get your affairs in order, because if you want to buy in spring, now's the time to start your cleansing or spring cleaning of your accounts, so you can be ready to pounce in spring. It'll be interesting to see what happens once this bright line test comes into effect in July, the DTIs, the LVRs. There's just so much regulation going on. But guess what? People still live their lives. They get married, they have kids, some pass on. There's always activity happening in the housing market, regardless of what's going on with the economy and the seasons. So if you're looking to buy, definitely get in touch. Let's do the numbers and see if we can help you get pre-approved. Equally, if you've got a mortgage that's coming up for refixing and you're not getting one of these rates that I shared with you before, again, pick up the phone, get in touch with me and the team, and we'll be more than happy to help you out to make sure you are getting the best deal from your bank. Anyway, guys, I'm going to sign off. Have a great rest of the week. Good Friday tomorrow, good weekend, and we'll be in touch next week. Good to see you all. Ka kite. Thanks, guys.